And the winners, second placer bid number 1015, Sir Anderson Gallo. And of course, our first placer, bid number 1016, Sir Ian Gerald. Our champion, 10-kilometer winner, male category, bid number 1017, Sir Wilmar Ibanez. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating 10-kilometer winners, male category.